Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate muffins at home. First, gather all your ingredients. You will need about 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt for the dry mix. For the wet ingredients, prepare 1 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips or chunks. Now let's mix the batter. In one large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients until they are evenly distributed. In a separate bowl, combine all the wet ingredients, ensuring they are well blended. Then, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spatula until just combined. Remember, overmixing develops gluten, which can lead to tough, dense muffins, so mix minimally. It's time to prepare for baking. Line a standard 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners, or grease each cup thoroughly to prevent sticking. Carefully spoon the batter into each prepared cup, filling them approximately 2/3 full. For that perfect dome top, bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 5 minutes. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for about 15 more minutes. Once baked, remove your muffins from the oven. Allow them to cool in the muffin tin for about 5 minutes. This helps them set and prevents crumbling. After this initial cooling, carefully transfer the muffins to a wire rack to cool completely. This ensures air circulates around them, preventing sogginess. Your homemade chocolate muffins are now ready to be enjoyed, whether warm with a pat of butter or at room temperature.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.